Guys, since the day we started this channel, we do one experiment every year on a regular basis, and that is trying to walk on water. And we have partially succeeded every time, but we have never succeeded completely. So this time we have got from abroad such a product, which is actually a pair of shoes with the help of which we can walk on water. And here is the shoes. With the help of these shoes, we will try to walk on water. We have purchased the shoes from abroad and the price is 35,000 rupees. Believe me guys, you won't find this in India. Now look at this. This is the shoes with the help of which we will try to walk on water. And we have two pairs like this. Now let's fill air in this and check if we can walk on water or not. Now shut up guys. Can't you see I'm making a video? So guys, this is our shoes. As you can see, this is made from a very unique material. We'll have to inflate this. And
This will float in water. You will be walking in this.
It will float. And as you can see, here is the hole through which
I
we
don't think so.
stand back.
How will
Leave
this
it.
work?
So guys, here is a nozzle. It opens up like this, and then we'll fill it up
If
with
I
air.
stand on this, it will sink.
Yeah.
Where will you put your feet? Will you be wearing shoes?
What are you saying?
Bro, wait.
Okay, start.
Yeah, it's filling up. Guys, there's a two-way valve in this, and once we fill
Where
this
will
up...
you put your feet?
Oh, stop, man!
You can put your feet through here.
From here.
Oh, take him away!
But there is
Let's
no
go, let's
space.
go.
Bro, leave me. Let me see.
Leave him, leave him, leave him. So once we fill it, the air will not come out, but I think we should fill it up a little more.
So we will sit
Oh,
on
wait,
it.
brother!
We will be sitting like this.
I'm trying to explain all this. So guys, here is our pair of shoes. We have two identical pairs like this. And guys, our feet will go in here like this. Just like this. I hope these shoes would be able to handle my weight when I'm on water. What do you think? Can we walk on water using these? Let's see.
Yes, you'll be able to walk easily.
Wait! So you guys please like the video fast while we take these shoes to the water and see if we will be able to walk on water using these. By the way, these are very light and I think they will handle my weight.
Now you stand up and show us. Wow. Wow, nice.
Guys, a few days back this lake was filled up till there. And now because it's the winter, the water has come down a lot. And because it's winter, it's going to be very painful because it's very, very cold. So guys, the moment of truth. Now we're going to find out if the 35,000 rupee shoes is going to help me walk on water or not.
Sir, come here. Put your feet in,
Oh my god,
please.
Manish, it's very cold. Guys, I'm not joking. It's very, 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 very cold. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, feels like I'm standing in ice. And these shoes had to arrive now. These should have come during the summer. Bring it here. You come and help me balance. It's not like that I can just put it on and start walking. So guys, I've put my one feet inside like this. And now hold on to the shoes.
Oh, it's very cold.
Right, it's so cold. hold me. Guys, now let me put my other feet in. It's in. Oh, wow, man.
Hey, leave him and let's
Oh,
go.
no, don't leave. Guys, it's not so easy to maintain balance. Now, take me into the water. Guys, it's not at all easy. Water is so cold, right? Guys, as you can see, it's handling my weight pretty well. Look at me. It's become a boat, but the thing is how to stand up now. So they're handling my weight pretty well. But the only problem is if I stand up and my feet goes like this, then I'm in trouble. Now let me try standing up. Alright guys, let's try to stand up. Guys, I'm getting a very weird feeling now. Completely off balance. Take me into the water.
Oh, it's freezing.
It's very cold. You're gonna freeze, right? Guys, it's not easy to balance on this. I'll need a lot of practice. Wait, I'll sit down first and then try to stand up. Alright guys, now I'll try to stand up. Let it go. Whoa! Leave it. Take your hands off. Guys! Woohoo! Wow, man! Guys, as you can see, for the first time, after so many years, I've been able to stand on water successfully. It's very difficult to maintain the balance, but I'm standing up. You guys stand back now. Let me see what will happen. Nobody's helping me now, guys. Oh, that's it. See, guys? Now let me try to walk on water. Oh! Bro, it's very cold, very cold. Ooh, it's very cold. Oh, it's very cold. Anyway, now we are wet. We'll give it another try. Practice makes man perfect. As you can see, this one shoe can carry one man's weight. I'll show you. Look at this. And with both shoes, they can carry you easily. Mainly, I'll consider myself successful when I can walk.
You practice your balance, I'll go and get my shoes.
Oh, you will also fall down and get wet. You leave me. Guys, as you can see, I just have to learn how to balance a little. And as you can see, I'm standing perfectly well. Let's try walking. Now let's do one thing. He has his shoes and I have mine. Let's see who can maintain balance and stand up for a longer time. Ballu and myself are somehow on the shoes now, and now together we will try to stand up and then we'll see who can balance for a longer time. 1, 2. Wow, Ballu, you're winning. Oh, Ballu is winning. Ballu is winning. Oh, make him fall down. Make him fall down. Make him fall. Make him fall. Guys, do you see? We have almost learned how to balance on this thing. Let me try to move forward. Yeah, good job. Oh, Ballu has won. Ballu has won. Wow, Ballu. Now walk, walk, walk. Move forward. Move, move, move. Wow. Catch Manish. Put him in the water. Come on, move forward. Very good, very good, very good. Keep it going, keep it going. Wow, wow, wow. Nice, nice. Wow, what a dance. Guys, now I'm being able to stand up easily. Learned how to balance now. Now let me walk. Oh. So this is the final try. If I fall down, pick me up properly, okay? Oh, let it go now.
There was once a day that I would pray
Take
for
your
you.
hands up.
I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Guys, my feet have started to pain now. We can walk with this, but it's not at all easy. You have to learn how to balance it properly. Finally, guys, we've been experimenting like this for the last 5 years. And this experiment is the most successful among them. For a short time, I know. But with the help of these shoes, we have been able to walk on water. Thank God, finally. Somehow we walked. So guys, I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, Jai Hind!
Jai Bharat!
Guys, don't try anything like this, especially if you don't know how to swim. If by accident your feet get stuck in the shoes and if you fall face forward, your face will be underwater and you will not be able to breathe. Don't try this at home or anywhere else. See you in the next video with a new topic. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.